Oh, somebody can't join you.
Hello. Bindu.
Yeah.
What they were telling is now means the main activity which was supposed to be unique initially, right?
Yeah.
Now they want that if that is repeated
Okay.
for n number of times,
Okay.
right? See, for this 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If this is coming means it has been maintained here for 4 times, right?
Okay. Yes.
So it should reflect as 1 only, है ना?
Sorry.
This main activity. Can you see
Okay.
the screen?
Yeah.
There is main activity, miscellaneous work
Yes.
1,
Yes. Yes.
right? Against it, sub activity, there are 4 sub activities.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when they are linking this, when they are linking project with activity, sir, go to that screen.
Okay. I got your question. So you are asking why it is repeating activity, right?
Hmm.
Here the
Main activity.
primary key is not only the main activity, combination of activity, WBS and sub activity. So these three combinations should not be repeated. See here, WBS and sub activity are different for each, so it is allowing. So
No.
in that case, if you want like that,
Vaibhav, go to that linking screen. अरे दूसरा ट्रांजेक्शन खोलो ना भाई यार स्क्रीन खोलने में भी कंजूसी स्क्रीन खोलने में भी कंजूसी करते हो यार
करना
ये क्या
पता नहीं क्या बोलिए हाँ एंटर स्पेस बार स्पेस बार स्पेस बार स्पेस बार
execute now see here miscellaneous work is coming twice. Okay. So what they want is why it is coming twice means again sir lekin sir there is one challenge means
check the coding no issue
no sir coding sir let me complete sir coding is perfect what I'm telling is coding is okay what you have done is you have tried to means what you have tried to fulfill your requirement as per your way but this will not be done. See when you will go to the activity screen SM30 table
activity table or activity screen
yes activity table
display what is the difference
see over here you need to maintain the WBS also as unique means this WBS is for main WBS. Okay, this WBS is for main activity only.
correct it's a unique only then if you check any
for
duplicate is
one
there
activity, there should be only one WBS.
Yes, that's what she is telling. For if you want additional column for sub WBS means for, WBS for sub activity, we can add it over here. No issue. But do not change the concept of the development, please.
not understand the first actually
Okay.
but
That's what I'm telling you. See.
your coding is this field must be unique correct WBase must be unique correct
Not only
See,
unique.
miscellaneous work 1. Just wait, Sindhu.
Okay.
Miscellaneous work 1. All these columns should have same WBase against them. RH 1139 2. Till 2 it is okay. If you want to add 14, 15, 16, we will give you another column beside sub activity. There you can maintain another WBS element. Got my point?
no
See, for activity, WBS element is.
एक मिनट hey it's a unique number then
No, sir.
We have to put in another column.
another column is not there only this column only available how can we can
Yes, but you want to say that
No.
the activity
we are selected the WBS element, the BS selected should be activity WBS, not of sub activity.
Okay.
But
For sub-activity WBS,
Sub-activity. We will consider only
for
level 4 and level 3 and 4.
Ah,
First is the project code, second part we never consider, third is the main activity, fourth is the sub-activity, fifth is the sub-activity.
Yes.
But now we consider only main activity and sub-activity for DPR purpose. Okay, va? The first, second,
Hello?
fifth will be removed. 1 minute, Harsh, for main activity and sub-activity.
yeah.
हिंदी में बात करो.
Hello, Harsh.
Yes, Vaibhav. Please tell me, Vaibhav.
ये था कि अभी जो इसमें WBS एलिमेंट है ये हमें कौन सा मेन एक्टिविटी का रखना है बस
Yes.
यूनिक रखना
क्या
है
है?
यूनिक
सुनो
रखना है
सुनो, ये जो
हाँ।
अभी ये WBS एलिमेंट है ना, आपका
हाँ।
ये WBS दिखाता है आपका एक्टिविटी कौन सा है, ठीक है? मिसलेनियस वर्क 1, नीचे भी
हाँ।
मिसलेनियस वर्क 1 है ना,
हाँ।
तो उसके सामने 2 WBS कैसे आएगा? 14 15 नहीं होना चाहिए ना, वहां तो सिर्फ 2 लेवल तक रहेगा जो लिखा है ना, RH 1139 1-02. लेट मी कंप्लीट. अगर आपको 14 15 चाहिए तो वी कैन गिव यू अनदर कॉलम आफ्टर सब एक्टिविटी, देयर यू कैन मेंटेन सब WBS, मींस नेक्स्ट WBS.
सर आपकी वो फाइल थी ना उसमें
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या है मिसलेनियस वर्क में भी हर्ष मैं
हाँ।
तुमसे बोल रहा हूँ मिसलेनियस वर्क में भी तो ये चेंजेस है 29 30 31 बट वहाँ पे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
हाँ
कहाँ
ऊपर
पर
बाकी
प्रॉब्लम
के
नहीं हो रहा है सर?
जैसे
आप
देखिए,
मतलब
1 minute, Harsh. You forget it. Or simple thing I will explain you. Okay, va? Just you will take a base.
हाँ.
Correct? And this column you will take 11. Base is there. Okay, the base contains the 2 rows updated, 2 different WPS, 2 different sub activity against main activity. It will come proper.
there is a,
It
there
will
is
come
a-
proper.
no, how it is coming
Proper.
proper, sir? See. Over there you are maintaining 2 WBS against base. Now here you are getting only 1 WBS to link. How it is proper? Tell me.
This is our requirement, ma. Actually, I don't know. Last week, what are the information gathered? I don't know.
That's why I'm telling you.
Excel
No.
file I shared. Tell me.
That's why I'm telling you. Besides, Bhanu understood it very well. Okay, he's telling you people the correct thing also, but you people are not agreeing. I don't know why. He has understood the requirement. Okay, what we are telling, he has very well understood, but I don't know why people others are not understanding this. Forget about the requirement. Forget about everything. What I'm telling you, the requirement that you are perceiving right now, for that we will have to provide another column in that activity table where you can maintain sub WBS. And please do not disturb this column. Maintain only main activity WBS over here. Can you go to SAP screen, sir?
Okay, no problem. And one more thing, no issue. We will give you one Excel format. This format, one project, complete project, we shared it to you. Correct? This project we will share it to you. For testing purpose, you will upload this case for our in UATO in development, the not issue, you will upload it from your end for testing purpose, for recording, testing,
over
and
here,
everything purpose.
Over here, you have rightly maintained the column sub activity WBS. This only is needed additional in the activity table, right? So that needs to be added. Okay, after that you can use it. We will change all the program, all the upload formats according to that. Okay, and ALV report also. Okay, then we will update you.
Yeah, currently it running project is nearly 10 to 15 only. Suppose if you give a option, we directly upload in a SM30. That case, the only daily upload is happening. Daily upload is that is upload program is mandatory. Remaining code you no need to correction the program. We will directly keep everything in a SM30. No issue.
What do you want to keep, sir? Now you are changing again entirely everything. You are changing, sir.
Not changing her say.
No, earlier you are, no.
Please
The
try to
earlier
understand. You are having if you already we spend 10 man days without documentation. We already clearly told without documentation anybody approved. Are you having any approval against on the 10 man days against?
Sir,
are you having any approval document is there?
See. Let me tell you. Over there only I told it will take 14 days. Okay. Ghoshji
No problem.
told 10
20
days.
days also you take it. That's not a
No,
matter.
no.
My requirement is if I totally changed it. Scenario totally changed. This is the requirement. This is confirmed by concerned HOD. Okay, but this is the original requirement. But if right now you will give us in SM30 table, just you will give additional one field, sub activity WSK. We will copy and paste via Excel. Copy, and yesterday also we did it. Only 10 project, 10 to 15 project. Less than half day we will upload it via SM30. That's not an issue. No need for Excel program. What are the Excel program already available? Just keep it. We need Excel program only for two things. In the bulk quantity upload for 1 year, 2023 years. Each project we will upload for the quantity.
Monthly target you will not update? Monthly target you will
one?
not update, sir? Monthly target?
Which purpose we will, I will give a requirement and the monthly target and yearly target, daily upload. These three cases, you will correct it. What are the maintenance will come? We will
That's what
accept no issue.
That's what I'm telling. Na? 3 upload formats, it will have to be corrected. What else I said, sir? For those three, all those three upload formats, I told we have to correct that. We have to correct SM30 table. We have to correct upload programs.
This is the fine. Right now, everybody was there.
Yes.
Everybody completely accepted.
And
in further,
one more thing,
never
sir.
changes will come.
So, sir, changes
Got
have to
it.
come. Changes have to come to meet the business requirement. If you will stop them just for one mandate to save one mandate to mandate, they will never be satisfied. Means let us not. This is the first time.
I am telling only one thing, Mahase. Suppose any big project, but dashboard goda, what are you telling? You never start a work. First, we will make a complete documentation.
Already, that's
what
why
is
I
his
told
requirement?
you.
What is the input screen? What is the output requirement? Everything we will prepare a documentation. After that, you will start the work.
That's why.
That is the or half an hour job, or 2 hour job, 3 hour job, small changes correction in MM60, ZMM60. That's not issue. It's not proper document also required. Existing program we add one field or fine tuning only. But this is the big projects.
So that's why I told you 14.
Only past is past. In future, without documentation, please don't do it anything.
Sir, I said you in front of you only I asked for 14 days.
Last minute to avoid the confusion purpose only I told no issue. But right now you might be understand our requirement. You will correct the program accordingly. 1 or 2 days.
Your requirement was not clear to you only, sir. This was the problem. Your requirement was not clear to you at your end only. This is the main problem, not at our end.
Our end was very clear.
Now we all are clear.
Don't talk like that, please. Our requirement is not clear. Why you are taking a project from us? The DBA project, why you are taking? I am not clear. Yeah, our team also not clear. Simply thinking, our team is not clear. Myself not clear. Why you are taking this project? You will put on mail. Your team is not clear in this project. Once if you clear the project, we will start the work.
No. I told you, sir. The requirement that was received, it was delivered. Now it is changed, so we are again changing it.
Are you having it? Simple question I am asking again. Suppose any big project, past is past. Any big project or 5 demand days or 2 mandates, just you will get a documentation from our end.
I have already started. No, sir. I have already started.
Please share the documentation. What are the documentation approved by APCO? Please share the document against DPS.
Which one?
Are you having the document?
So verbal communication in front of you was not means it was not legal.
Nobody accepts verbal communication. Like suppose you ask Gosla Srivata sir, so already I told you what can you do? Are you having any evidence? Sir, some evidence must be required, sir. Without evidence, we cannot. That purpose only we will advise to only documentation. Repeatedly, we will told.
I told you 14 days. You said 12 days, but I have charged only 10 days till now. Okay.
That
you
is
remember
no issue.
that?
You take a 14 days. That's not an issue. The project is not completed.
Sir, see,
the report is working. The monthly upload is working. Daily upload is working. 14 days. Another 4 days will be chances. This is not the right time to. It's not right time to rebate. Okay, va. What are the past is past?
I didn't tell 4 days, sir.
No problem.
It will take 4 days. More 4 days. I didn't. You are expecting of your own, sir. It will take 4 more days. This is not the case, sir. It will be done between 1.5 days or maybe maximum 2.
Suppose if you did it now, that's okay. In future, our request is get a documentation from user. It must be approved by HOD. It must be approved by our team also, ourselves also. Then you can do it, please. Otherwise, MAS also without proper document, you never. User expectations daily basis. It will be changed. Initially, they think it one. After the program will come, they will change a little bit. That purpose only I told. Another that
No,
purpose
I
only.
agree,
Today
sir. I
morning, I
totally agree.
clearly make a document. Clearly, this is the
I
requirement.
totally
This
agree,
is the
sir.
one project.
I
You should
totally
be
agree.
told, our team is not understanding. You know, what do you mean?
No,
Your team
not
understanding,
understanding.
our
No,
team is not understanding.
no,
It's not like good.
not understanding, sir. Requirement clarification was not on
Said,
place.
okay, past is to past, you will do it. But right now you can
Definitely.
understand
Yes.
Allah, what is our
Yeah,
exact
yeah.
requirement from our
Understood. Now,
PS team.
the moment you shown me the issue, I just asked her, and that's why I'm telling you. In the first instance only, we need another column of activity over there. But I don't know someone, matlab,
It
except
might be
Bhanu,
chances. Verbal
nobody was able to
communication.
understand. I don't know.
I can understand some chances to missing verbal communication. So past is to past.
We
We
can
will
check
give
it.
a proper.
We can check
Other
it.
than we will today we gave a proper document. Please proceed.
Definitely,
No
sir.
problem.
We will proceed.
Okay.
So for this,
Thank
activity will be added, upload programs will be changed, and please provide the ALV format also updated, which you want. ALV format, the final report that you will get, na? There, what changes
That's
you
also
need.
we will share. We will share. No problem. After that, you will
So
start the report development. No issue.
after this, we will
That's
change the report like that.
Okay, that's good.
No. After making these changes, we have to change the report.
Report part you
Or
forget it. Only input part we will be concentrate now. But what is the input transaction master requirement, transaction requirement? Already said the documentation. Just if you complete it, we will consider that. Next we will give a one documentation against report.
Okay. But
Okay,
make sure
please.
that it won't. Yeah. Yes, because I think there will have to add one column as well. Right.
Yes.
You
This
please
is our
get it
requirement.
confirmed.
This is the final one. We will give a one entire project for your testing purpose. Very small,
Okay.
like that. Matter of or 100 activities are 45 activities only there. You can take it. How much is there? 150 or 150. You will take a partial code. You for testing purpose. You will take a 100 activity also. Totally 203 activities there. For testing purpose, you can use it. And one more thing I forget to tell. Suppose sometime main activity is there, sub activity have no chances. It should be accepted by your project, your program. It's a main project, main WS is there, sub project, sub activity never. It's only one main activity, no sub activity against main activity. That's also
So
considered
program,
your program.
Okay.
And I forget to tell the point.
Done. You please mention it in this. Okay, sir. I will note it down. I will note it. Not an issue.
Okay. Yeah, then I will give a one complete project details
No,
to you.
Sindhu, have you noted down? Main activity is there. Okay. But sub activity is not there. Sub activity is not there. In that case, upload format will accept the value of main activity, not sub activity. Got it?
Perfect.
Okay. In rest of the cases, it will accept sub activities.
Yes, all the project template is like that. This is the final one.
Okay, sir. This will be done. Not an issue.
Thank you.
And
now you can.
Yes, we can switch to that budgeting thing, right? We can switch to that budget part.
Yes. You can share your screen, please.
No. Means that consultant is joining.
Okay, one more person. No issue.
Sindhu, you can leave. Thank you so much.
If I'm not wrong,
sir, just to confirm one thing, sir. Are the users present here who do this activity? Okay. Then it is fine. कहीं पर भी confusion हो किसी को भी तो please पूछ लीजिएगा उसी समय.
Okay. After this explanation, we will ask the query.
sure.
Please proceed.
Yes. So this is the system status usually that you see, and this will be the user status, which manually is being changed to from initial to approved, and from approved to cost plan, and then to budget release. And just putting this remark right now, and I just want to show it also that when it is cost, when this user status is, it says cost, then this is the issue that we see. Let me just create it and show. 2201. Material group is let it be signed. Right. This will be the issue when the cost status is active, cost user status is active. So what is the next step that I or user will do? Will be that they'll open the project, that particular WBS, and they'll manually bring it down to release. Save it. Now when they try and create this purchase requisition, there won't be any issue. Right. Purchase organization. Correct. So there is no issue and we can just save it. Right. Let the price be 5,000 and we'll save it. Correct. But now this what we see usually, the error that we see usually is to this is the error that usually we all must be seeing, right? While creating any purchase requisition or purchase order. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, yes. It's a little bit different.
Sorry.
You proceed. You proceed. Sorry.
Huh.
Our issue is little bit different. Shall we share our screen?
Okay. You have it open?
Just let us
Yes,
complete your point. Please. Let us complete your point. Something you are telling. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose
See
this
now.
error will come, what can we do?
So it says when you click here on this error only, when you click here in this on this question, so it will tell you by what amount you are exceeding the budget. Correct. So 4,25,000 is the extra amount that we are trying to allocate here, which is not in the planned budget. And just to verify this, I'll go and look at the budget. So see, budget is 1 lakh, and I'm trying to make a PR which is of 5 quantity with 1 lakh. That means 5 lakh rupees. And right, and that means this is 5 lakh, and the other PR that I just created, it was of some other amount. Let me just open that as well. Now we can just see it. Oh, no, not this one. I just copy the number. We
Space.
258. See, this one is 25,000. So that's why 5 lakh plus 25,000, 5 lakh 25,000. Budget is 1 lakh rupees. So it is giving an error of budget exceeded by 4 lakh 25,000. Right. And you can see it here as well that 25,000 is what we have already assigned to this particular WBS, which is there in that PR, and this 1 lakh rupees is the total current budget. So if I try creating a PR of more than 1 lakh or the remaining amount 75,000, then it is giving me this error. So in this case, what is the like the correct way to resolve this thing is to increase the budget if it is approved. Whatever whatever the process is, if you have like if you have taken the approval for budget increment, or you have approval for transfer of budget from other unused projects or unused WBSs, then you can definitely transfer it or you can increase it as per the approval. So if I just go here and I try increasing it, I just change it and I'll make it maybe 6 lakh. Save it. Go back again here.
Once PO generated, na PR value not considered.
Sorry?
Once PO converted as a
Hmm.
PO na,
Yes,
PR value
yes,
will
yes.
be not considered, correct?
Correct. As soon as the PR is converted into a PO, that amount from PR, the amount that was logged due to PR is freed and it is logged with the PO. Like it is committed with the PO.
We needed to check that also, na? With enhancement also, we cannot restrict that, right?
Yes. Because release will come in picture. If we
Release will
try,
come in picture, yes. If budget has already been exhausted, you can create the PR using that WBS, but you cannot fully release that PR.
correct. So now again, what I'm doing is 1 lakh is the amount. And let me just put this purchase organization also. And see, now you see a message which is different from the previous message. It says almost exhausted, and this is the reason. Like this is the message that will pop up when your total like 80% or whatever the scenario is, like 80% of your total budget is already committed. So this message is not saying that your budget is exhausted. It is saying it is almost exhausted. The assigned fund this less than the budget. Correct.
Yes.
So whenever you are trying to create a PR with a budget more than the assigned budget, or like with the amount which is more than the budget, then it will stop you from creating the same with an error of budget exhausted. But when you try and create a PR which is around 90% or more than 90% of your total budget, then it will give this message. And the reason this message is coming here no agent could be determined for the message to be sent. So because system did not find anyone, any agent to send the mail to, it gave this error. Correct. So as I have explained in my previous session, we have a condition in APCO. We have a condition defined.
Agent.
So we have a condition defined that whenever it is 85%, whenever the budget we are trying to commit gets gets above 85%, then it will give us a warning and mail to the person responsible. But if it is not, the system is not able to find the responsible person maintained, or the mail ID of that responsible person is not maintained in the system, then it will surpass this and give the error message with the same message.
Okay, got it.
Okay, see now just to prove this, I'll decrease the amount slightly and you'll see the error will be gone and just will be a message. Just bring it down to 4 lakh. And see, no message issues during check because it is not hitting that 85% case. Correct. If I put 4.5, then it should hit 75% case. See, now it hits 75% case. The case.
Only warning message. That's all.
Yes, the first one. See, it is 75% and only warning message will be issued. So that hits and that works very well here because it is not just a message that has to be issued. Correct. So this is like the way we should be doing this. We should be creating PRs or POs against our WBS just to make sure that we don't overbook or we don't get budget exhausted issues. So this was the scenario of creating these documents. But just to create these documents, we have some prerequisites in our WBS only, which are these statuses. Correct. So if it is BURL, that means budget is released, then it will let us create all these documents. Right. If it is budgeted, it definitely it will go and check what is the budget unless AVAC is active. If AVAC is not active, that means availability check is not active, then this condition which I was showing, this condition, issuing a error, issuing a warning or stopping it, it won't come. So this three things, user status, then availability check and budgeting. These are the prerequisites for using this WBS thing. So Harsh, should I just show it in dev also, like that automatic thing that is coming here?
Yes, we can, but till we have discussed till now, किसी को कोई question है? Anyone has any question?
Yes,
on the amount of discussion we have done till now?
This part okay. This part we can understand. Our user, we have one more query. Please share your query.
हमारा ये BBSL साइट पे ओवरऑल बजट जो हमने डाला है और जितना बजट एक्चुअल में एग्जॉस्ट कमिटमेंट के साथ टोटल बजट जो एग्जॉस्ट हुआ है वो 80% एग्जॉस्ट हुआ है।
भानु जी स्क्रीन पे दिखा सकते हैं क्या? स्क्रीन पे दिखा देंगे?
Shall we share the screen?
Please.
Okay.
अब नहीं हो पाएगा, मीटिंग में वो सारे तो निकाल दिए मैंने तुम्हारे।
1 मिनट
वो बचा है तो कल करना।
Shall we come out? Okay, second, first continue.
ये WBS है फैब्रिकेशन का,
हाँ जी,
और इसमें $145 करोड़ का बजट है,
हाँ जी,
और टोटल 115
115 करोड़ असाइंड है इसमें। हाँ
एक्सैक्ट, हाँ टोटल 115 करोड़ असाइंड है।
हाँ जी,
पहला तो ये अवेलेबल बजट है, जो ये 145 करोड़ माइनस 115 करोड़ होके आना चाहिए।
हाँ
वही जो आ रहा है।
वही है 2,93,74।
29,30,000
29 लाख नहीं है सर,
29 करोड़ है।
29,30,74,000 वही है।
पॉइंट लगा वही है।
एट 4 2।
अभी ये अवेलेबल है बजट हमारे पास 29
हाँ जी।
करोड़। इसके बाद भी हमारा बुकिंग साइट पे नहीं हो रहा है किसी चीज का।
नहीं, एरर क्या दे रहा है आप वो दिखाओ एक बार एरर।
बजट ऑलमोस्ट एग्जॉस्टेड।
हाँ वो इसीलिए ना, जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया ना, 3 केसेस जो है ना, एक में एरर, एक में मैसेज देता है, तो वो मैसेज नहीं है, एरर है, दैट मीन्स सेकंड पे चला गया। अगर इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट में रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन मेंटेन्ड है और उनकी ईमेल आईडी मेंटेन्ड है, तो वो एरर नहीं देगा, मैसेज देगा और मेल डालेगा। तो अगर वो मेंटेन नहीं है तो वो एरर हो सकता है, उसकी वजह से एक बार हम चेक कर लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं। जो
रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन मेंटेन है, एसके
हाँ
सर
जी,
है।
हाँ सर की ईमेल आईडी मेंटेन्ड है।
ईमेल आईडी मेंटेन इन SU01 ना।
SU01 करेक्ट, या PA30 में भी आप देख लो, PA20 PA30।
एक मिनट है।
इसका आईडी क्या है? वन
SK.7 है, 1
user ID is different, yeah, that's also. This is the this is the user ID, like you. Wait a second.
This is like not set.
Server full name.
SK श्रीवास्तव।
नहीं, आपका यूजर आईडी
SK.श्रीवास्तव।
See, this is the user ID. One second. Any mapping issue is there? The email ID is maintained.
Maintained here, huh? Yeah, can you
But
please check in?
that ID is this ID, both are different, lah. It will have chances to issue.
Correct. Sir, PA30, can you please check in PA30 also once?
PA30.
Okay.
One here you have to put 1,000, 4 times 07 only. Yes.
Ibrahim.
Info type is, I think, 105. Can you put 105 as info type and display it?
Info type is 105.
In info type, below. Direct selection. 105. Enter and click on display.
Last one.
This one.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Okay. Which
The
one?
third one. The third one.
Chashma, sir, chashma, glasses.
Okay.
This is some other email ID, I believe. It is not Ibrahim Khan 161878. Some
So it should be changed to our SKSR ID.
that is still there, but see, you can see person number is 10007, but name is Ibrahim. There is definitely some.
The hyper card, it was updated 12 July 2021, I think.
Okay, so if they correct it, it will start coming, right?
We will modify it.
Harsh, we'll just have to look into these
No,
things,
no,
and
wait,
if
wait.
this
Yeah, of course.
mail
No,
starts,
no,
then
HCM part
there
ना,
won't be
तो
an issue.
HCM mean आशुतोष विकास जी आशुतोष है क्या उधर? अच्छा. Then we will have to wait for confirmation of HCM team also in this. We cannot change it right now. Okay. But sir, this is the way you can check for some other users also, right?
Okay.
If you want, you can change a responsible person who has the correct email ID in his PA30 informations so that the mail can received over there, right?
Okay. It should be updated here, correct? The responsibility
Exactly.
says that we will update a correct person.
Yes,
Correct,
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Once it updated, the mail will send it, then system allowed to release the PR.
Correct.
So next
That
means moving forward, the every next condition will be fulfilled.
exactly.
Okay. Got it. What are the other queries? Please, time is going.
Then any other issues?
No, 1 minute. One more query is there.
Yes, please.
बजट अपलोड के लिए कोई वो है क्वेरी
Budget upload. Do you want Excel also budget upload?
या
Yes. Sir, we need a Excel budget upload option against WPS.
Excel budget upload option.
Yes.
That can be handled. Harsh, you can do
Which
it.
one? Which one?
Standard is available.
They want uploader. Which
Okay.
can upload budget from
Means
Excel.
budget from Excel. Okay. Upload program
Yes,
will be there.
Yes,
Or
yes,
SMW. Okay. So upload program that can be done, sir. Not an issue. You provide me the requirement. We will get it done.
What type of data do you want for testing purposes? Budget upload. We will give a one project with the budget details, sir.
Yeah, of course. Means Anand will tell more
If you have
clearly.
any standard requirement is there, we will fill and send to you along with your ticket. Other that purpose only we
Definitely, sir.
ask.
Definitely. And sir, one more thing. In PRD, whatever Anand told just now, these all things are not coming correctly. Okay. So when we move the configuration changes from development quality to PRD, there will be some challenges which need to be addressed at management level also at your part. Anand, can you please brief about it?
Yes, sure. Yeah. So let me just share my screen, please.
Okay.
Yes, let me just go into development. Show you.
So after maintaining the mail ID, the problem has been rectified or not?
We will change it. After that, we will inform. Okay, without proper correction. They are trying to send a mail to Gmail ID something. We will correct at our end. We will try.
So, sir, there is one more thing that is to be taken care of. If, like, as per system, there is a condition for activating this availability check, correct? Which stops us from overbooking or creating PR and POs, which are creating over commitments. So there are some conditions for activating this, but if we are not following the steps for doing all these user statuses and system status things, then sometimes this AVAC won't be active. So just to make sure that this AVAC is activated, what we can do is we can remove the functionality to manually change this user status. Like I am doing right now, I'm changing this from cost plan to budget release. So if we just remove this functionality of doing this thing, then we'll be sure that this AVAC always gets activated, and we'll be sure that there won't be any overbooking as per the budget. Like if the budget is 1 lakh, then there won't be 1,10,000 or 1,05,000 or maybe 2 lakh. There won't be such scenarios, such bookings.
It's any limit, any tolerance value or any up to 200% or 110%, any tolerance limit is there?
If you are saying a tolerance limit, if you want the tolerance limit to be above 100%, then that can also be done. But whatever will be the tolerance limit, it won't allow you go above that.
Okay.
Right. So, Harsh. Hello, Harsh.
हाँ बोलिए.
See, so I'm just trying to explain that this can be like, see, you see here, this is cost, and if right now I'm trying to change it to budget release, it is allowing me to. But we can just, what we can do is we can just make a condition over here that this cannot be changed manually.
Of course.
Right? And it will only be changed as soon as we put the budget here in the system status, and the AVAC gets activated, and this gets changed to released. That is a condition that is here available for us.
एक डॉक्यूमेंट पे दिखा दो ना इनको, एक्सेल में अगर है तो, या हम एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना के इनको देंगे तो उसमें बता देना आपकी ये क्या है, या एक बार इनको बता. भानु आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोले ये?
मैं अभी दिखा देता हूँ. Let me show you.
वो लोग हैं या निकल गए? सर कोडी सर.
Yes sir, listening.
PS users are here or they have left? Hello?
Yes, please.
PS users are here or they have left?
Yes, user clear.
Clear. PS user clear. Only they need a Excel budget upload only. We will share.
No, they have left.
What are the existing template available? I will share to you. One project complete budget details. I will share the Excel file to you. Just we will give a complete procedure how to upload.
No, sir. They have left the meeting.
Yeah, everybody was there sitting here.
No, they have left now. Are they sitting now?
Everybody is there.
Oh, अभी okay. So भानु ये जो बताएं आपको वो क्लियर है क्या? भानु, I am asking from भानु.
मुझे क्लियर है. जो वहाँ पे ईमेल आईडी का इशू आ रहा है, अगर ईमेल आईडी करेक्ट हो जाएगा तो ये प्रॉब्लम, ये मैसेज
हाँ, ये मैसेज मतलब कि उसके बाद जैसे जैसे आपका वो प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से 75% से 85% होगा, 85 से 100, तो उसके हिसाब से सिस्टम बिहेव करेगा. राइट. एक तो वो पार्ट था. अभी जो दूसरा ये बता रहे हैं ना, कॉस्ट प्लान वाला और ये बजट रिलीज वाला, ये आपको क्लियर हुआ?
That's clear.
दो चीज मिक्स हो रहा है.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ, इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ.
हेलो
हाँ बोलिए ना.
हाँ सी
भानु कुछ बोल रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ बोल रहा हूँ. मैं जो क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ, इसके पहले जो अभी मैंने प्रॉब्लम बताया था, मैं उस पर क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ कि अगर वो ईमेल आईडी चेंज कर देते हैं, अपडेट कर देते हैं, उसके बाद ये प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. मीन्स अगर उसमें 29 करोड़ बजट अवेलेबल दिख रहा है तो मीन्स 29 करोड़ तक की बुकिंग हम कर सकते हैं.
आनंद रिप्लाई करिए. हो सकता है, होना चाहिए. एक मिनट
हो जाएगा. एक बार वो मेल, अभी जो एरर है ना वो इसीलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि मेल नहीं जा पा रहा. अगर हमारी मेल जानी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी तो वो पक्का हो जाएगा जो आपके.
अच्छा, अगर एक काम करिए, एक बार बताइए, अगर हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन वहां से हटा दें तो?
नहीं, फिर भी इशू रहेगा क्योंकि उसका काम जो है ना उस पर्टिकुलर स्टेप में मेल भेजने का काम है. अगर वो मेल नहीं भेज पाता है तो वो उस स्टेप को स्किप करके थर्ड उस पे चलाता है, चेक पे, जो थर्ड चेक है. दैट इज एरर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज एरर. तो हम लोग उसको कुछ मतलब वो नहीं कर सकते, हम हटा के
तरीका नहीं.
ईमेल आईडी चेंज.
ओके. बट सर
नहीं,
दिस इज
उसको
वेरी मतलब श्रीवास्तव सर के आईडी में कोई पता नहीं कौन इब्राहिम खान का ईमेल आईडी प्लीज रियली आई डोंट थिंक
एक्सेप्ट दिस
Okay.
वहाँ पे क्या है?
Unless we can change the password.
हर्ष,
हाँ
Yes.
बताइए
व्हाट आई कैन डू इज कि मैं इस चीज को क्वालिटी में रेप्लिकेट कर लेता हूँ, मतलब क्वालिटी में एज इन सक्सेसफुल केस बना लेता हूँ उसका ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
और
हाँ
और
और 230
फिर
क्लाइंट बनाना 230 क्लाइंट पे पीआरडी का ही आईडी पासवर्ड यूज करके 230 में टेस्ट करना आप 230 क्वालिटी 230 उसमें पीआईडी का ही आईडी पासवर्ड चलेगा
Yeah. Same production password.
ठीक है, ठीक है, मैं बिल्कुल फिर तो
हाँ
इजी हो
बिकॉज इट इज
जाएगा।
रेप्लिका ऑफ पीआईडी
हम्म।
इट इज रेप्लिका ऑफ पीआईडी तो आपको क्या पता वो मिल भी जाए वो इशू
ग्रेट,
है ना
ठीक है, मैं ये करता हूँ, इसको इस चीज को मैं रिजॉल्व मतलब कर लेता हूँ इसमें
हाँ
क्वालिटी में। और
हाँ
क्योंकि वी नो द रूट कॉज नाउ,
ओके
उसमें कोई
और इसके
दिक्कत
अलावा
नहीं आएगी।
इनको आप सर हैं और इनके टीम जो है इनको बता दीजिए जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट बनाए हैं उसमें
हम्म।
क्या क्या कैसे कैसे है और जो अभी बेस्ट जो
हाँ,
प्रैक्टिसेस थे वो सही नहीं थे उनको कैसे सही करना है वो सारी चीजें एक बार आप बता देते
ठीक है, आई जस्ट शोइंग इट। सो whenever a new
वी कैन
project is
कंटिन्यू इन हिंदी
created,
कैन वी कंटिन्यू इन हिंदी सर
हाँ बोलो हिंदी में चले बोलो।
हाँ ओके कोडी
ठीक है।
सर वी विल एक्सप्लेन यू
No
लेटर
problem, no
इन
problem.
इंग्लिश
थोड़ा हिंदी बात बस.
ओके सर
यार suppose
तो
हिंदी में बात करो ना, I will learn हिंदी. अच्छा.
ओके सर ओके
सर, जब भी कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग बनाएंगे ना, जब भी हम लोग कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं या बनाएंगे, उसमें सिस्टम स्टेटस हमेशा क्रिएटेड रहता है CRTD, और यूजर स्टेटस INIT आता है बाय डिफॉल्ट। सो स्क्रीनशॉट में आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे ना, तो किसी भी WS को मैं ओपन करता अगर, तो उसमें CRTD INIT आता है ना। तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे हम लोग यूजर स्टेटस को एज मतलब जब भी हमारे पास अप्रूवल आएगा उसको आगे काम करने के लिए, या उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट की जो भी लैंड क्लियरेंसेज हैं वो हो जाएंगी, तो हम उसको अप्रूव, उसका यूजर स्टेटस अप्रूव कर देंगे, लाइक इन दिस स्क्रीनशॉट, इन INIT से APR भी कर देंगे।
तो
और
वो आप बता
आई
देना
थिंक,
मैनुअली करना है या कैसे वो देख आप
हाँ,
बताना कि
ये दिस कैन बी डन मैनुअली,
और
दिस इज अ
ऑटोमेशन में
मैनुअल
नहीं होता
स्टेप है
ये
ना।
ऑटोमेशन अगर बजट रिलीज कर दें तो वो ऑटोमेशन में नहीं होगा मीन WBS
इसमें
रिलीज कर दें तो प्रोजेक्ट रिलीज कर दें तो
नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट रिलीज आप उसके कह रहे हो, सिस्टम स्टेटस रिलीज करेंगे तो
हाँ हाँ
नहीं, सिस्टम स्टेटस अगर हम रिलीज कर देते हैं ना, तो सिस्टम स्टेटस जो है वो मेन चीज है जो हमें रोकती है कोई भी फाइनेंशियल पोस्टिंग करने से। तो अगर
ओके
हम लोग उसको इनिशियली कर देंगे तो उसका जो पर्पस है वो दैट विल बी डिफीटेड,
ओके ओके
है ना। तो ये हमें मैनुअली करना है, क्योंकि दिस इज समथिंग इज रिलेटेड टू पेपर वर्क, कि जब भी हमारा प्रोजेक्ट, मान लीजिए आप ये प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट कर लेते हैं और आपका जो एक्चुअल में प्रोजेक्ट है, आपका जो ऑन ग्राउंड जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो अभी अप्रूव होने वाला है, तो आप ये प्रोजेक्ट बना के रखते हो सिस्टम में, और एज सुन एज वो अप्रूव होता है तो आप यहाँ पे इसका भी स्ट्रक्चर अप्रूव कर देते हो, या चेंज करके जैसा भी चेंजेस होने थे इसमें वो चेंज करके और इसको फिर अप्रूव करते हो, राइट। तो ये मैनुअल एक स्टेप हो गया। नेक्स्ट इसके बाद आपको अभी प्रोजेक्ट हमारा ऐसा दिखेगा, सिस्टम स्टेटस क्रिएटेड, यूजर स्टेटस APRV। देन एज सुन एज हमारे पास इसका बजट अप्रूव हो गया था, या कॉस्ट प्लान अप्रूव होता है, या एक कॉस्ट डिसाइड होती है कि इतने रुपए इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हम लोग एलोकेट कर रहे हैं, या गवर्नमेंट एलोकेट कर रही है, या हम लोग इस तरह से खर्चा करेंगे, जो भी इसकी फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग इसका यूजर स्टेटस को चेंज करेंगे फ्रॉम अप्रूव टू कॉस्ट। दिस दिस स्टेप नीड्स यू टू पुट द वैल्यूज इन CJ30, है ना। आप CJ30 जो है, CJ30 जो टी कोड है जहां पे हम बजट डालते हैं, वहां पे आप इसमें कॉस्ट डालो और इसको यूजर स्टेटस को कॉस्ट सेट करो। बिफोर कॉस्ट सेट करने से, कॉस्ट सेट जब तक आपने कॉस्ट पे नहीं लेके आए हो यूजर स्टेटस, तब तक ये CJ30 में आपको बजट नहीं डालने देगा। लेट मी शो यू इट राइट अवे। अभी यहाँ पे देखो सर, ये कॉस्ट है ना, इस पर्टिकुलर WBS में। open it. सी बेस्ट ये ऑप्शन हमें दिख जाता है इस WBS में यू कैन सी इट इज APRV। अगर मैं इसमें बजट डालने की कोशिश करूंगा CG30 से, let me just put the WBS directly. The user another one. To these and at least this. Go back.
एक जगह पर कई फाइल खुली है WBS एलिमेंट खुले डेटा अपलोड करने का प्रोसेस है WBS करेंगे कॉस्ट प्लान आगे बता रहा
Everything is posted.
Can we make it fast?
Just closing the other session. Correct. Now it wants to do it. See, now this is approved. If I'm taking the WBS of this one and checking it here. See, this WBS is not allowed to put any budget because it is the status is APPRB. अप्रूव्ड स्टेटस के साथ यहाँ पे हम बजट नहीं डाल सकते सीधे 30 में, करेक्ट। बट जब स्टेटस इसमें जैसे स्टेटस कॉस्ट है तो हमें ये अलाउ करता है डालने के लिए। लुक, दिस इज द WBS और यहाँ पे बजट डालना अलाउड है। बट वहीं इस वाले WBS में और इस वाले में क्यों नहीं अलाउड है? क्योंकि इनका जो यूजर स्टेटस है, यू कैन सी APRB अप्रूव्ड, राइट। सो सो जब भी हमारा प्लान हमें पता लग जाएगा, जो भी हमारा कॉस्ट प्लान है, तो हम उसको कॉस्ट यूजर स्टेटस को कॉस्ट पे लाके अप्रूव्ड से सीधे 30 में जाके उसको एंटर करेंगे, करेक्ट। और जब ये मैंने इसीलिए यहाँ पे दिखाया, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट किया है कि ये कॉस्ट है तो ये एक्टिवेटेड है और बाकी सब में APRB है तो इट इज नॉट एक्टिवेटेड। स्क्रीनशॉट अब मैंने यहाँ पे सब ये चीज एक्सप्लेन की है। यूजर स्टेटस कॉस्ट देन इट अलाउज द एडिटिंग ऑफ बजट। ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कि हम लोग सीजे 30 में जाके सब में अपना बजट डाल रहे हैं। सिंस वी हैव द प्लान कॉस्ट फॉर द WBS वी विल फिल लाइक शोइंग द बिलो स्क्रीनशॉट। तो सीजे 30 में गए, हमने ये सारी कॉस्ट यहाँ पे एज प्लान डाल दी। ओवरऑल पहले हमने ओवरऑल डाली, पहले हमने यहाँ ओवरऑल में डाली, फिर उसके बाद हम ईयरली भी डालेंगे। अभी आप कह रहे हो जो एक्सेल अपलोड, अगर हम वो भी करेंगे तो वो भी हम ओवरऑल और ईयरली दोनों के लिए कर देंगे, राइट। इस स्टेप में हम लोग ये चीज कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे पहले ओवरऑल के लिए किया हमने, देन हमने ईयर वाइज किया। तो ईयर वाइज भी जैसे जैसे हम करते रहेंगे, 2020, 2021, 2022, सिमिलरली वी हैव टू सेव द बजट फॉर ऑल द ईयर्स। तो हम सब बजट सारे ईयर्स का बजट डाल के और सेव कर देंगे। नाउ देयर विल बी हाँ हाँ,
Like both are separate template, huh? Yeah, overall of the budget upload, year-wise budget upload, both are the different template. Is it right?
no. See, this is overall, and when we go 2020, it is also same. So it is same, but it is
Okay.
like overall is the total of all the years.
Oh, okay.
है ना? If we are putting just an example, if we are putting let's say 1 lakh in overall, and we go in 2020 and we put, I have put 10,000. Okay, if I go in 2020 and I put 10,000, and in 21 I try putting 1,000, then when I'll save it, it will give me these kind of errors that this budget is, see, overall budget is less than the distributed budget. That means जो हमारा annual budget है, it is exceeding our overall budget.
Got it.
Right? See, 10,000 is less than 11,000. So हमेशा whenever we are putting any budget, so it should be overall, and overall should be total of the yearly budgets. Okay. Then after this step, now there will be a new system status added automatically. जैसे ही हम लोग ये user status जैसे ही हम लोग ये budget डाल के सिस्टम में रिलीज करेंगे, एज इन CJ 32 में डालेंगे, उसके बाद ये सिस्टम डिपेंडिंग ऑन आपकी बजट प्रोफाइल क्या सेलेक्ट हुई है प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, है ना। बजट प्रोफाइल में आपको अभी बता दूंगा। डिपेंडिंग ऑन बजट प्रोफाइल ये सिस्टम स्टेटस एक्टिव करेगा BURL। आपको यहाँ पे आप यू वोंट हैव टू डू इट मैनुअली, इट विल चेंज इट टू BURL। और जब तक ये BURL नहीं होगा तब तक हम लोग कुछ भी इस पे डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं बना पाते, करेक्ट। जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा था, एरर देता है। So here in this step,
other companies how they upload the budget. Suppose if you have a lot of clients like via front end menu or via Excel.
No, sir. In front end only. Mostly they are done in front end. Yes. Because there is a lot of
Excel it's treated as a customization. Correct?
exactly means
Exactly.
standard transaction code must be there. Anand, you also check once. Okay, standard transaction must be there. Okay, for budget upload in mass. In you are talking about mass, right, sir?
Yes, exactly.
It is there in standard also. We will have to confirm once the T code. Okay. It starts with C underscore कुछ है ऐसा। आनंद आप भी देखना एक बार please.
No problem.
If it is not there, will revert.
CJ mass something,
हाँ
but
हाँ
still वहां पे भी मतलब वो उसमें भी वैसे ही हमें टाइप करना पड़ेगा ना, जैसे हम ये CJ 30 में कर रहे हैं. So that is the thing.
okay
ठीक है,
okay.
that is we'll check about it. अभी के लिए this is the second next step.
कहाँ से आएगा? वो तो क्वांटिटी से आएगा. Means
Yes, yes,
एक्सेल में रहेगा. यहाँ पे केवल अमाउंट डालना.
Can we continue, sir? Can we continue?
Please, आएगा खाली.
Yes. So now this status will be changed as budget release.
एक्सेल में.
And in the next step, what I have mentioned is,
मैच कैसे करेंगे, रिकॉन्सिलिएशन कैसे होगा?
CJ 32. Okay. ठीक है, नहीं होगा.
है ना, CJ 32 so we can release the budget. And as soon as we just release this budget, this will give us this AVAC activated. And this is the point where our budget checking will start. Our system will start checking the budget as we create any document like PO or PR. है ना? Now इसके बाद we can just create any commitment, any PR, any PO, and we can book the amounts. So this is what this document says. Later on, if किसी साल में हमने we have given some budget and we were unable to use all of it, then Srivastav sir was asking that if we can do it automatically. So as in automatically, we just have to run CJCO. There is a T code CJCO. As soon as we run this CJCO, we just have to put the project number and year. That's it. Two things we have to put and execute. What it will do is it will carry forward the leftover budget in this year to the next year.
Okay. Balance amount.
Yes, balance amount. Whatever the balance amount in budget is, it will be transferred. It will carry forward from the sender year to the next year.
Perfect.
So this will be the next like new process that you can follow.
Just you can share the document, please. Share this document with us and Anand.
Yes,
You
sir.
are requested to
And
share the document.
sir, we had some suggestions also which we haven't mentioned yet in the file. Anand, regarding that
Correct.
availability check authorization, if you can tell them about it.
Correct. Yes. So there is one thing that is standard available in system, that we can close this AVAC. We can just remove this availability check, this thing, and then system won't stop us from spending more than the budget. So just to avoid this, just to stop this thing, this practice, what we can do is we can just remove the authorizations for changing this availability check from all the IDs.
Okay.
And
that is good. We noted it, we will do it.
and that can
That
can stop us from doing this malpractice basically.
Yes. So correct.
So we were also curious to know one thing, like Anand and myself had a discussion. Bhanu ji, जब आपका अभी recently ये issue आ रहा था budget exceeded वाला, तो how are you tackling that issue?
और एक्स्ट्रा बजट डालते हैं.
और एक्स्ट्रा बजट डालते हैं और फिर एक सर्टेन लिमिट के बाद जाके वो अलाउ करने लगता है, ऐसा?
हाँ.
बट वो करना नहीं चाहिए था उसमें भी. और पहले तो वो ऐसा भी था, एक आध इशू आए थे जनवरी फरवरी में.
ये प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टिंग से ही है, स्टार्टिंग से ये प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ, बजट वाली जो प्रॉब्लम रहेगी ना, वो तो सर देखो, बजट जैसे ही एग्जॉस्ट होगा सिस्टम इशू देना शुरू कर देगा. बट ये मेल वाला जो दिक्कत है वो इसलिए क्योंकि मेल नहीं डाल पा रहा सिस्टम, तो इसलिए वो 80% या 85% पे ही इशू देना स्टार्ट कर रहा है. अगर हम इसको टैकल कर लेते हैं तो 100% तक इशू नहीं देगा. 100% के बाद डेफिनेटली इशू देगा, बट उसके बाद आपके पास अगर एक्स्ट्रा बजट है जो आपने अप्रूव कराया है तो यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट. बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वी शुड add the extra budget from CJ 37, the supplement budget वाला जो ऑप्शन है, always use that.
37.
हाँ, let me
CJ
just show you.
37 से ही डालते हैं बजट सप्लीमेंट. बट हम ये कैसे जानेंगे कि इतने अमाउंट का बजट बैलेंस है, उसके बाद हमको डालना है बजट? ये कैसे डिसाइड हो? मींस 29 करोड़ अगर अवेलेबल है बजट अभी और फिर भी कोई
जी।
चीज बुक नहीं हो रहा, तो अभी हम कितना बजट डालेंगे कि बुक होने लगेगा चीज?
वो कैलकुलेशन पे रहेगा शायद।
जब भी आप डालते हो ना बजट, और नहीं, जब भी आप कोई आइटम डालते हो और उसमें एरर आता है, तो
हाँ,
जब आप क्वेश्चन मार्क पर क्लिक करते हो ना, जैसे मैंने किया था,
ठीक
तो
है, ठीक है।
उसमें दिखाता है कि इतना बजट आपका एक्सीड हो रहा है, उतना आप बजट डालोगे उसको वो एरर देना बंद कर देगा।
फिर मीन्स वो साइट वाला ही बता पाएगा ना फिर तो?
साइट नहीं, आपको हमेशा देखो सर, इसमें सिस्टम में ना हर चीज आपको, जो भी एरर मैसेज आता है उससे ही हम समझ पाएंगे कि क्या एरर है। तो सिस्टम अगर आपको एरर बजट की देगा, तो आप उस एरर का हमेशा वो देखो, उसमें उसको ट्रैक करो कि वो एरर क्यों है।
मीन्स वो
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम।
एंड यूजर को ही पता चलेगा ना।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
पोस्टिंग तो वो
End
करता
user,
है, तो वो देख के
correct.
बता सकता है।
हाँ जी, करेक्ट।
So please share these documents with us, so we'll go through it.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा इसमें विल मेक